Hi everyone, I'm Yuyu from CANBEST. Today I'm going to show you the full process of building a rental LED display access. And at your end, I also show you how to use computer to control screen and play video content. For its setup, we are using the access series rental LED panels, and we're building a 4x2.5 meter LED screen. If you're interested, let's get started. Before we begin, let's look at everything we need. This is our access cabinets, video processors, main power cables between cabinets, data cables, main data cables. The whole is our ground support system, supporting base, leveling beam, and supporting frame. Alright, let's start the installation. Look here, we have installed leveling beam at this location. Its purpose is to ensure more seamless level assignment of the screen during the subsequent module installation. Let's begin. Before the installation, we should open the 4 edge protectors. We are doing this to make sure someone is holding the structure to prevent it from tilting. Fasteners are used to secure the cabinets to a back frame. Using fast lock connect the cabinets. One important thing is to know, always install from the center outward. This helps ensure the screen is perfectly aligned without gaps. And as you can see, the installation process is very simple. The access series uses die-cast aluminum cabinets, which are perfect and lightweight for fast setup. It also features your fast lock system, making installation much faster and more efficient. Look here, using the fast lock, connect the cabinets. Next, we place conduits at the bottom of the structure to improve stability. Now, let's install the rest of the cabinets. Alright, the screen structure is assembled. Okay, now let's connect the power cables and the signal cables at the back of the screen. This is your signal cable. And this is your power cable. right, we will show our wiring diagram. Okay, now we start to debug the screen. We enter the password is 16A, and go back to receiving card interface. Click Read Back to read your parameters, and we can check the panel is 192 by 192 pixels. Then click Mapping. For screen, the specification is 8x5 panel. Then we follow the screen to create your wiring diagram and click Send. We can play a video to check. If not, click Save to store the data. Now we have successfully debugged the screen. The file size is 4 by 2.5 meters using 2.6 modules. In total, I've used 40 cabinets. It will cost 95 for takeaway. All the products mentioned in this installation process, except the computer, can be provided by CANBEST. We offer a complete one-step LED display solution. If you are interested in CANBEST products, feel free to contact us.